For nearly 5 decades, the IICRC has been recognized as the most respected name in the cleaning, inspection, and restoration industries and is the premier education provider with globally renowned standards and certifications. With a broad range of courses across cleaning, inspection, and restoration certifications, you're building technical knowledge and following a career path to the prestigious IICRC Master and Triple Master status. Education matters, from fire and water damage to mold remediation, from floor maintenance to upholstery cleaning. The IICRC offers over 20 industry-accepted certifications that highlight technical excellence. The Master status is the highest technical level in the industry. It distinguishes yourself from competitors and emphasizes years of dedication and expertise in the field. As an IICRC Master, you generate opportunities and are sought after by consumers and industry professionals alike. If you want to inspire others and have a positive effect on those entering the industry, share your knowledge by becoming an IICRC approved instructor. Instructors are essential to the IICRC and the quality of a registrant's education. They make a difference in someone's future and shape the industry with new generations of certified professionals. The IICRC standards serve to develop common, industry-accepted language and terminology for concepts and procedures regarding cleaning, inspection, and restoration. They reduce redundancy, errors, time spent on a job, and costs. Participation gives you a voice in the development of standards. Whether you are just starting or have been in the field for years, when you volunteer to write standards, you actively get involved and contribute alongside the brightest minds in the industry. The IICRC offers more than individual certifications. The Certified Firms program is a seal of approval recognized worldwide that gives your business exclusive benefits and exposure to new customers. Maximize your company's reach with a listing in the IICRC Global Locator. Reinforce your business credibility with Google's verification. Expand your network and create opportunities with third-party administrators and most insurance carriers and contractors. Advertise your IICRC certifications with the exclusive use of the IICRC logo as endorsement. Access marketing materials to help you advertise your certified firm to your audience. Welcome to the IICRC, where professionals find training and consumers find peace of mind. Visit iicrc.org.